Finding the power outlet fuse in your Honda Accord is a relatively simple process that you can do on your own. In this video, we will guide you to locate the power outlet fuse in some Accord generation. So let's jump right into that. In the 2003 to 2007 Accord, the interior fuse box is located on the driver's lower left side, above the hood release handle. Just pull the cover and you'll find the fuses. So here's the power outlet fuse. This is a 15 amp fuse in blue color for front accessory socket. In the 2008 to 2012 Accord, the power outlet fuse is located in two places. One on the passenger's side floorboard, and another one on the driver's side floorboard. There are a total of 3 fuses you need to check. So here they are. There are two 15 amp fuses in blue color for the front and rear power outlet fuses. If neither of your power outlets works, there could be a problem with the 7.5 amp accessory fuse. That's the fuse that powers the relays that energize both of those outlets, so you got to check that fuse. And this is for the rear accessory power socket. This is a 15 amp fuse in blue color located in the passenger's side floorboard. For the 2013 to 2017 Accord, the power outlet fuses are located under the driver's side kick panel. Just look above the driver's side floorboard and you'll find it. So here are the fuses. There are two 20 amp fuses in light green color. The left one is for the rear accessory power socket located in the console compartment. And the right side is for the front accessory power socket, or they call it the console panel power outlet. Just like the previous generation, the location of the power outlet fuse in the 2018 to 2022 Accord is under the driver's side kick panel. Just look at above the diagram and you'll find it. So here are the fuses that you need to check. There are two 20 amp fuses in light green color. The left one is for the center accessory socket, and another one is for the front power socket. So that's going to be it for today. I hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching and see you next time.